All right, so last week we did partial product for multiplication, for 2 by 1 multiplication and 3 by 1 multiplication. Today we're going to do area model. So area model. Model of multiplication. I just couldn't put multiplic. Can y'all read that? Mikey. Area model of multiplication. Whoa, there's some light. There you go. Area model of multiplication. If I write it, you write it, please. Get a piece of paper out if you don't already have it out. Alex. Thank you. All right, so when we're talking about the area model, we're gonna use something, we're gonna use a box. Not a box, but it's kind of a rectangle. If you will understand, if you'll just watch what I'm doing first. So let's say 72 times 6. We're gonna do very, very similar to what we did with the other one, but we're gonna arrange it differently. So we're gonna take 72 and change it to 70 plus 2. And then we're gonna leave the 6 as the same. Excuse me, sorry, I got a frog in my throat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on top 70 plus 2 and then put 6 on the side. Because really I'm doing the area of this square and this square. So if I'm looking at it, I'm saying where are they intersecting or where are they crossing? Here, let me get some colors. So if I wanted this one to be green, this one to be purple, and this one to be black, what I'm really looking at, I'm gonna draw a line down from each color. Just watch what I'm doing, please. I'm gonna draw a line across, and where they cross right here, what 2 colors cross is what I'm multiplying. So this one would be 70 times 6, and this one would be 6 times 2.
Can you make it bigger? Jaden says.
Can I make it bigger?
Can you make this screen bigger? This is really small, he says.
If you'll go on the remote, there should be a zoom button on the remote.
Okay, Miss Pop, of course you'll remember that. So.
It should be up front by the computer.
Okay.
Huh?
You can also pin it. We can pin you. And if you make your screen be on this they'll make your screen bigger.
Right, left down. Okay, and you said to what with the zoom button?
Yeah, click on Zoom. See if that helps. Y'all still see just my screen, right?
Yes.
You're not seeing everybody else?
We see everybody.
Well, you shouldn't. You should only see just me. Hold on.
We see you, the classroom, Jameson.
Okay, can you click on where it has well, how did we do it earlier? Oh,
Oh,
morning. Wonderful. Click on, because I'm not sharing my screen. Click on the one that looks like this. If you click on the thing that looks like a push pin,
are they supposed to use the laptop or the remote?
use the laptop.
Okay, they're up here. Say it again.
Okay, click on the one that looks like this, where my hand is. You're gonna click on the little push pin. That'll put it on the only thing on the screen.
Yeah. Thank you. There we go. Gabrielle said they've been trying to tell you that the whole time.
I'm sorry. I can't see because I can't see. I'm not on that end of things. All right. So then when I break it up into two different things, you'll see what I'm doing here now. So when the colors cross, that's what I'm going to multiply. So then I'm going to say 70 times 6. So I take off my 0, put it to the side. 7 times 6 is 42. So I'm going to put 42 in front of it. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Those are my, again, another way of saying partial product, because these are the partial products. So then I take that 420 and I add 12, which would be 432 is my answer. All right, let's do another example.
Hey, Jameson from Jaden.
Let's do 27 times 9. So how you're gonna set this up is you're gonna draw yourself a rectangle. If there's 2 digits here, you're gonna split the rectangle in half. If there's 3 digits here, you're gonna have to break it up into 3 boxes. So then you're gonna break 27 apart to what? 20 plus 7. And then that 9 would stay the same. So you're going to put the 9 on the side. Then you're going to put the 20 plus 7 at the top, each one of them being above each box. So then you'll do the area of this box and this box. No, not yet. Hey, my mom didn't. So if I use colors to help me figure out what is what, I'm gonna say the 9 is green. Let's say the 20 is orange. And then we'll say the 7 is blue. You don't need colors, you just pay attention. So what I'm gonna do is I'm either going to just color the box or I'm just gonna draw a line. So my blue, I'm gonna draw a line down. My orange, I'm gonna draw a line down. And then my green, I'm gonna draw a line across. Now where they cross, where the colors cross is what I'm multiplying. Okay? So I'm gonna multiply what in this one? 20 times 9, and then what am I multiplying in this one? 9 times 7. So then now I can multiply, take off my 1 0, put it down. 9 times 2 is 18. So I put that in front of my 0. So we get 180. That's our first partial product. And then we do 9 times 7 is what? Excuse me, what? 63. 63. So then I'm going to take my 2 partial products and I'm going to add them. 180 plus 63. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 6 is, put down my 4, regroup my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's called the area model of multiplication. All right, I'm going to let you try one on your own with the area model. Let's do 66 times 4. So you need to draw out the box. If there's 2 digits in the first number, how many boxes are you going to have? 2. Good. All right, how am I gonna? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for me yet? Not yet. All right, you're fine. You're fine. All right, so I'm going to break 66 apart into what? 60 plus 6. I'm just breaking it up into expanded form. So I'm going to take my 60, put it right here, plus 6. And then I'm going to put my 4 on the side. So now where they cross is what I'm going to multiply. So right here, it'll be 60 times 4. And then wherever crosses right here, which is 6 times 4. So then
6 times 4 and 60.
Jameson, we can hear you, bud. We can hear you.
Okay.
Alright, so then I use my zeros property of multiplication. Put my 0 down. 6 times 4 is 24. That gives us 240. And then 6 times 4 is 24 again. So then what do I do with my 2 partial products? You add them. So 240 plus 24. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. 264. Now we can check that using the way that we learned last week by saying just checking it. We can say 60 times 4, 6 times 4. It should be the same, which it is. It would be 240 plus 24, which would give us 264. So that was the way we learned last week. This is the way we're learning this week. All right, let me flip my page and do another example. Let's see. 53 times 3. Let me put it in the camera. 53 times 3. So you're going to set it up. You're going to draw your rectangle. There's two digits in this number. There's going to be 2 boxes. Go ahead and try this one. Molly, I can't play with you right now. How's everybody doing? Good. Wonderful. You're doing okay, me too. I'm doing okay too. Stuck in the house for, oh, sorry, Mom, I didn't mean to whack you in the head.
I'm going, Miss Piper.
Okay. I'm waiting for them to get done in the classroom too. Wonderful. All right, give me a thumbs up when you're ready. All right, put your thumbs down. I'll wait another minute or two. Oh no, I want the fan on. You going to sit with me? All right, thumbs up again if you're ready. All right, I'm still waiting for a few. All right, put your thumbs down. Jordan, you ready, bud? Almost. Okay. You good? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. All right, wonderful. All right, so we break up 53 into what? Or we decompose it into what? 50 plus 3.
C plus D.
So I'm going to put this 3 on the outside, and then I'm going to put 50 plus 3 at the top. It's called the area model because we're doing the length times the width. Get it? Length times the width here. Okay, anyway. So where they cross is what you will multiply. So what do I multiply here? 50 times 3.
Times 3.
What do I multiply here?
3 times 3.
3 times 3. So 50 times 3, 0 is property. Bring my 0 down. 5 times 3 is
150.
15. That gives me 150. Then 3 times 3 is 9. So then I take my two partial products and I add them.
159.
150 plus 9 gives me 159. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that right. Whoop. Whoop. Good job. All right, now, if I'm doing one that has 3 digits, instead of just 2 boxes, I'm going to put 3 boxes. So here's an example. 127 times 6. So I'm going to draw my rectangle, but this time I'm going to have 3 separate boxes. Okay? So I'm going to break up my 127 into what? 100 plus 20 plus 7. So I'm going to put my 100 plus 20 plus 7 and then put my 6 on the side. So it's going to be the same way. I'm going to draw my lines down, draw my line across. Where they collide is what I multiply. Okay, y'all with me so far on this one? All right, so right here, where what crosses, we have 100 times 6. Right here we have 20 times 6. And then right here we have 7 times 6. Okay. So now I can use my zeros property of multiplication. There's 2 zeros. I bring them down. 1 times 6 is 6. And then, well, when we get to 2 digit by 2 digit, this will be easier. Bring down 20 times 6. Bring down 1 0. 6 times 2 is 12. And then 7 times 6 is 42. So then I'm going to take 600 plus 120 plus 42, and I'm going to add them. 762. Move it over. Now see how we do that? It's the same, it's just there's one more digit. another one. Let's say 239 times 4. So I'm going to draw my box. How many different sections do I need to have? 3. They don't have to be even, but it just helps. And then I'm gonna, what's my next step? What's my next step?
Are we doing it by ourselves?
No. You're walking me through it. Oh no. There we go. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
The last one.
Break 239 apart into 200 plus 30 plus 9. So I'm going to put my 4 right here. Put my 200 plus 30 plus 9. Now I'm not going to draw the lines this time. I feel like that can be confusing. So I'm going to use this blue line to help me. Did I freeze? I froze. All right, so now what are my different partial products? I'm going to say what? 200 times 4. 30 times 4. And 9 times 4. So now can I multiply those? Yes. To use my zeros property, cross out 2 zeros, bring down 2 zeros. 4 times 2 is 8. And there's one partial product. And then do 30 times 4, we pull down 1 0. 4 times 3 is 12. There's a second partial product. And then 9 times 4 is 36. So now what do I do to all 3 of my partial products? Add them. So come over to the side. 800 plus 120 plus 36. So 6 plus zeros is 6. 2 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is, the answer should be 956. How are we feeling about that so far? Good.
I think we have to do a lot of steps, but it's easy.
It will when we get into 2 by 2 multiplication, this will be the easiest way to do it. So that's why we teach the 2 by 1, 3 by 1 multiplication, because when we do 2 by 2, your box will look like this. Because you'll have like 20 plus 6 and 30 plus 3. So that's what we'll do whenever we get to 2 by 2 multiplication, but we're not there yet. We're not there yet.
You get this one at the end of 4th grade or at the beginning of 5th grade?
Yeah, this is just kind of getting us prepared for that. All right, I'm going to let you try one on your own. If that's a 3 by 1 digit. Let's see. 360. 62 times 5. So draw your box. All right, try that one on your own. Alex, you're a car rider this afternoon. Jayana, you doing good back there? Yeah? Okay. Do this problem? Thumbs up? That's all. I can only see. Wonderful.
I'm done.
Wonderful. Just sit there while we wait for everybody else. Yes, Gabby. Oh, you just give me a thumbs up. Okay. You can put your thumb down. I see it. Yeah. Molly. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, keep working. If not. Okay. Jordan, you good, bud? Alright, let's look at this problem. 362 breaks up into being what?
300 plus 60 plus 2.
300 plus 60 plus 2. It's decomposed, broke apart. So I'm going to put my 300 plus 60 plus 2. I see that. And then I'm going to put my 5 on this side. So what am I going to multiply in this one? 300 times 5. Then this one. 60 times 5. And then 2 times 5. Okay, use my zeros property. Bring down those 2 zeros. 5 times 3 is 15. Bring down 1 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Gives me 300. And 2 times 5 is 10. So here are my 3 partial products. So I'm going to say 1,500 plus 300 plus 10. 0, 1, 8, 1,810. Ah, can't forget that 0. If you got that right, pat yourself on the back. Way to go. All right, I'm going to give you some examples to do on your own. I'm going to give you 6 examples to do on your own. But remember, you're doing it this box way. Okay? Then if you have any questions, you can always ask Miss O or Miss Betty, or you can come up and ask me. But I think you guys understand it. Let's see. 43 times 6. 36 times 9. Now, when I'm giving you all these different ways of doing these multiplication problems, we'll eventually get to the standard form, but this will be a way that you have different ways to use it to get your multiplication problems. You don't have to just do one particular way. It's just a tool. It's just a tool. I'm only going to give you 4 problems. Change my mind. This will probably take you a little bit. Let's see. 943 times 8. And then, if they need to stand up to wake up, let me guess, Amari? Oh, I'll get you. 625 times 5. All right, do these 4 problems on your own, on your paper. Do these 4 problems.
Sorry, my mom accidentally cut out the internet.
That's all right. No worries. Raise your hand if you still need a little bit more time to finish these problems. Okay, you're fine. Keep working. Hey. Okay. Where's Mickey? You're gonna have to get the cone to show. Wonderful. Raise your hand if you need another couple minutes. Okay, you're good. Raise your hand if you need more time. Okay, you're good. Give about 4 more minutes. And then we'll start going over. Hi, Molly. How's my girl? Oh my goodness. You gotta leave your belly alone, girl. Don't need it.
Is this the last thing we're doing?
Yeah, we're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over it, but yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do
Once we're done.
we're gonna do social studies at after lunch
Okay.
at 11:20.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come back because I'm probably gonna be at a
That's fine.
small.
That's fine.
How long is social studies gonna be?
It's only gonna be till 11:55
Okay.
until recess time per se. It'll be recorded too.
It's okay. I mean, my mom just said I'm gonna be here, so. I see you.
Wonderful. Alright, let's look at these problems before I get sleepy. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Alright. Break up 43 into what? 40 plus 3. I'm going to put my 40 up top plus 3. And then I'm going to put my 6 on the side. My 2 multiplication things are what? 40 times 6 and 3 times 6. Should be checking your paper as we go. Zero's property, bring down 1 0. 4 times 6 is 24. 240 is my first partial product. And 6 times 3, or 3 times 6, 18. So I'm going to say 240 plus 18 equals 258. If you got that right, pat yourself on the head. Woo. 2. Wonderful. All right. 36 breaks up to what? 30 plus 6. So 30 plus 6. That's, can't see that 6. And then put my 9 on the side. 30 times 9. 6 times 9. Okay, bring down 1 0. 9 times 3 is 27. So I get 270. 6 times 9 is 54. So then we do 270 plus 54. 4, 12, 324. If you got that right, pat yourself on the right elbow. On the right elbow. On the right elbow. Elbow. All right. Now 943 breaks up to what? 900 plus 40 plus 3. So I'm going to put my 8 on my side because it stands alone. I put my 900 plus 40 plus 3. Now I can write all my equations. 900 times 8. 40 times 8. And 3 times 8. All right, bring down my 2 zeros, cross them out, bring them down. 9 times 8 is 72. Bring down 1 0. 8 times 4. 8, 16, 32. 320. And then 8 times 3. 24. 24. So now I'm going to take all my partial products and I'm going to add them up. I'm going to line them up and add them up. Adding 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7,544. If you got that right, give yourself knuckles. Good job. And then our last one. 625 times 5. Break it up into what, and what? 600 plus 20 plus 5 times 5. So put my 5 on the side. 600 up top. 20 up top. 5 up top. Kind of tight on the... All right, so we have 600 times 5, 20 times 5, and then 5 times 5. So cross out 2 zeros, bring them down. 6 times 5 is 30, so that's 3,000. Bring down 1 0. 5 times 2 is 10. That's 100. And then 5 times 5 is 25. Now I need to stack and add. 3,000 plus 100 plus 25. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3,125. If you got that right, pat your head and rub your stomach at the same time. Good job. All right. You can put that away for now. Put that away. Hey, Gabby, will you do me a favor? Go look on my desk. There should be a stack of these. It says week 12, The Lost Colony. Look on my desk or on the table beside it. There should be a stack. All right, wonderful. All right. No, don't pass them out right now. Just keep them, and then after lunch, if you'll give them to Miss O, she'll know, or put them on the desk beside you. I'll tell you when to pass them out. It doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm going to give you about a couple minutes. You can have a stretch break, mass break, but remember you cannot leave your area behind your desk. Stretch break, mass break. And then